Welcome to Colour Me in Style Springtime Beach Vlog to West Wittering. Before we go ahead, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
We are heading to West Wittering Beach today. It's a great sunny day outside. Let me show you what the road trip looks like.
It is almost a 45 to 55 minute journey from Berkshire to West Wittering.
There's a passenger at the back. Hello, hello.
These are some really cute country roads that are quite typical in the UK. Now we've entered the town of West Wittering, and just by this telephone booth you go inside towards the parking. This is quite a narrow road, so I would advise caution when driving here. We are now coming towards the entrance of the car park. You can now just pay at the gates, so you don't really need to pre-book. This is gonna change. It's a change of provider, so the West Wittering beach website will be able to give you pre-booked parking from I don't know, in a couple of months. As you can see, it didn't actually take too long for us to pay on the spot, so that was quite quick. We are now ready to find a space to park our car.
So guys, we are here at the beach. I have parked my car and we went straight to eat at this cafe. There's just one cafe here and you can already see the queue. So I would say if you're coming in the afternoon, just make sure to get in the queue first, get your food.
And also this is the way to the beach.
Okay. Look at the fine sand. This is how cute the beach is.
I'm gonna go.
Look at how lovely it is today.
There's a mountain that we can go on.
We're gonna find a spot first, aren't we?
And I need to go and wash my everything. I'm gonna go to see when you guys find the
Ooh, it's a bit windy here. Hi guys!
We're making holes for the Easter egg.
Are you?
And we're
Okay.
making some cement so then it can stick together.
Hello.
We're making some cement that can make it stick together so then we can make the Easter egg holes.
Okay.
These are mine. 1, 2, 3, 4. And
It's a beautiful day out here. This is the sand. So soft. Let me take you near the water. Loads of dogs are allowed here. It's pretty safe. Lots of people here today. Here you go. It's pretty full today. The car park was real good. We got the space instantly. Oh look, there's a beautiful castle here. Somebody made a nice castle. Very nice.
If you're from the UK, you'll understand what a gorgeous day it is out here. Even though it's a bit chilly, the sun is shining and look at the reflection in the water. That is the sun, and it's so beautiful out here that on this nice day, everybody wants to come to the beach.
I don't want to go too much in the water because it's a bit chilly for me, but it's gorgeous out here. If you come here around August time, usually it is amazing. Water's not that cold, you can just get in. It's early April right now, so obviously it's not going to be that warm in the water, I mean. So if you see, you can go up till the end. You can just sit somewhere there. Anywhere actually. You can get your own tents, your own stuff. There's surfboards and stuff available. There's loads of people surfing over at that side. Yeah, it's quite cool. Look at that dog. So excited.
I'm just heading back to where my friends and kids are sitting. I wandered off a little bit far than I initially planned to go.
Hi! Hi! Hi girls! Are we ready for the Easter egg hunt?
Yeah, we're gonna capture the Easter bunny.
Okay.
Since we went to the beach around Easter time, I decided to have a little Easter egg hunt in the sand. This is such a fun activity to do with kids at the beach. I would say do not throw away those Easter egg, the plastic ones, and just reuse them. This is like one of the coolest ways to use it. It keeps them in one spot, and it also, lets you sit there and enjoy your time. Oh look, there is a random kite flying.
So we've had a fun day at the beach at West Wittering, and we are now leaving. It's about 4:45. We started this morning, we spent the whole day here, and it's been amazing.
So we are now saying goodbye to West Wittering Beach, and we'll be back here in no time in the summer. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you want more fun day trip ideas, keep checking for more.